Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm Kwetse Phetla. If you're already a subscriber, thank you so much for coming back. Today's video is a pamper day at home. I'm gonna do it vlog style, so I'll just be showing you a few of the things that I'll be doing today to wind down, relax, and just pamper myself at home. I'm gonna do it vlog style because I think it's just more enjoyable that way. So stay tuned and give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed, you guys. So guys, the first thing I'm going to do is my nails and my toes. As you can see, I haven't had my nails done in a minute, so I'm just going to trim these down and just push my cuticles back, trim them if need be, and just make sure my nails look clean and neat. And then I'm also going to do the same thing for my feet and do a nice soak and scrub for my feet. Maybe not the scrub, but definitely a soak, and just like make sure that my feet are nice and clean. And then I will move on to the next thing in my pamper routine, which will be a face mask. Enjoy, guys. A quick disclaimer, you guys, I'm wearing a do-rag because I haven't yet sleeked my hair back. As you can see, my hair is quite messy, so I'll do that later on in the routine and just slick my hair back and make sure that it's ready for tomorrow. So anyway, guys, let me get back to this routine. To wash my face and put on a face mask. Let me show you the face mask that I'll be using. I'll be using this turmeric face mask by Clicks. It's a clay face mask. I'm very excited to try it out. This face mask, should I explain what it does or review it in my face mask Friday? I'm not sure, but let me just tell you guys. The Radiance Turmeric Clay Face Mask contains kaolin clay, which is naturally absorbent to help reduce excess oil and improve skin texture. It revitalizes your complexion by removing dead cells to brighten skin and bring out its natural glow. I'm very excited to try this out. I've actually used the turmeric face mask before, a DIY one. I'll link it in the description if you haven't seen it already. Now guys, while I have my face mask on, I'll be running my bath. I'm gonna use this Goodnight Sweetheart bubble bath by Avon. As you can see, it's almost finished. That's how much I use it. It's absolutely amazing, you guys. So soothing, so calming, and with the back pains that I've got at the moment, I really think it will do wonders for me. Along with it, I'll be using this Dr. Teal's coconut oil body and bath oil. You guys, I'm so in love with this. It smells absolutely amazing. It's so relaxing, it's so calming. You can see already that it's almost finished and I've only had it for about like a week. Both me and my sister are using it, but guys, it's so great. Like, we're literally gaga over this. You can put it on your body after taking a bath, or you can put it into your bath water, or use it while you're taking a shower. It's absolutely amazing. I prefer to put it in my baths and relax while using it. Lastly, I'll be using these Dr. Teal Comfort and Calm with Chamomile. It's pure Epsom salt soaking solution, you guys. This helps with calming your mind and comforting your body. It eases aches and muscle pains. I love bath soaps and bath salts, so I'm very excited to try this out. I really hope it does calm me down and ease me. I've heard good reviews on YouTube and from my sister, because she absolutely loves Dr. Teal's products, so I really hope this is gonna work wonders, you guys. I also picked up these Softy bathing soap sponges from Discam, you guys. They were only 12 rand and it's 12 pieces. I'm very excited to try these out. These are pH balanced. They are hyperallergenic, lightly fragranced, and they're reusable. They're a soft cleansing sponge with soap inside. I'm so excited to try these out, you guys. Yeah, I'll give you guys a review after my bath and tell you guys how I feel about them. But anyway, let me go around this bath and then put on this face mask and enjoy the rest of this Pamper day, you guys. Mask out now. I just washed my face. I'm currently using black soap for my face, you guys, but I'll show it to you guys in another video. Let me just remove that and take, yeah. So I guess then it says cleanse your face with warm water and pat dry. Apply the mask evenly with your fingertips, avoiding your eyes, lips and hair. Leave on for 10 to 15 minutes, then rinse off any residue. I'll do 5 to 10 minutes. We'll see how it feels after 5 minutes. That will help me decide. I feel like Clicks makes really amazing masks, and you are able to keep them on for longer than 5 minutes without them drying your skin out or making it itchy. So yeah. I'm sure there's people who watch my channel and they're like, why are you always wearing face masks? It's so annoying that I'm always taking bubble baths wearing face masks. But hey, this is the life I live. This is how I unwind. This is how I de-stress. So yeah, those who enjoy it will keep coming back for more, I guess. So guys, this mask does feel a bit like tingling sensation on my face, but we'll see how it goes. I'm really happy that I found a turmeric mask, because at least I don't have to make my own anymore. So yeah, I'm gonna keep this on for about 5 minutes, because yeah, I can feel that tingling sensation. Then I'll take it off and then get into my bath, you guys. I hope my water doesn't get cold, but anyway, you guys, see you in a bit. So guys, I am back. It is a little over 5 minutes. I'm gonna rinse my face now and remove this mask and get into my bath. I'll be drinking this Duchess Spritz Berry Rosé 0% alcohol. It is de-alcoholized. Oh guys, there's no alcohol. Rosé with berry extract. Yeah, so it tastes really good, guys. It tastes really good. Tastes like, I like rosé, so it tastes like rosé without, yeah. Tastes good, guys. That's all I have to say. So yeah, let me go get into the bath, guys, and I will be back in a few.
done taking a bath, I've already lotioned my body, I've got my pajamas on, and now I'm about to do my face and then go eat dinner and go to bed, you guys. So I'm trying out this Nature's Nourishment rose water. It's for the face and body. You use this as a toner and it's supposed to soothe and moisturize. So I'm just gonna dab it onto a cotton pad and wipe my face, well, tone my face. Smells really good, you guys. Guys, don't forget to go behind your ears when you're toning and washing your face or whatever, just to make sure it's clean behind there as well. So yeah, this is the Nature's Nourishment rose water, and so far it feels really cool on my skin, not irritating or anything. Now I'm going to move on to this Nature's Nourishment eye cream, you guys. The description says rooibos contains natural antioxidants that help to keep skin looking healthy and delay the signs of aging. It's a restoring eye cream, and yeah, let me try it out, you guys. I've never used an eye cream before, so it's my first time, and I hope this works, you guys, because I suffer from terrible dark circles. No matter how much I sleep, I still have really bad dark circles. So I'm just going to massage this in and then move on to the next step. Now I'm going to use my Oh So Heavenly night cream, you guys. You've seen this on a few of my videos. Absolutely love this. I've been using this for over a year now and it's been absolutely great. Off with this Fire and Ice body spray just to smell good before bed, you guys, and make sure that I wake up feeling fresh and smelling good, you guys. Guys, I am officially done. Thank you so much for watching my Pamper Day at home. I hope it inspires you to also do your own Pamper Day at home. Thank you so much, guys, for 200 subscribers. We finally reached 200 subscribers and I'm so grateful, you guys. Please don't forget to comment, like, subscribe and share, and follow me on Instagram at Kwetse85, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye, guys.